Hello guys, thank you for watching this video today. Today we will be working on finding the missing angle in a triangle sum problem. Here we see the missing angle is labeled by x. Before we can solve the problem for x, we need to see what information was given to us. We see that there is an angle that is 35 degrees. And there is also an angle outside of the triangle that is 70 degrees. Okay? So let's get to it. Now, what information do we already know? We know that a straight line equals 180 degrees. So we will use that information to find the missing angle. Now, in this case, we're going to label this corner angle here. Let's label that y. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to add y to 70, and we're going to equal that to 180 degrees. Okay, so now we have to solve for y. To get y by itself, we have to get rid of the 70. To get rid of the 70, we have to do the opposite of whatever is going on in the problem. At this moment in time, the 70 is being added to the y. So to get rid of it, we have to do what? Subtract it. So we're going to subtract it from this side. And remember that whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other. So we will subtract 70 from the left, and we will also subtract 70 from the right. These cancel out here, leaving y by itself. And once we subtract, 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 7 is 1, 1 minus nothing is nothing, 1. So 180 minus 70 equals 110. So now we see that this corner angle here comes to 110 degrees. So now we can use the information that we have now to solve for x. Now, what are the angles, the sum of the angles inside a triangle come to? It also comes out to 180 degrees. So now we will do the same. We will add all the angles together to solve for x. So x plus 110 plus 35 degrees, okay? 110 degrees plus 35 degrees equals 180 degrees. We will add the 110 plus 135 first, like numbers, okay? They do not have a letter next to it, so we can combine those terms. 110 plus 35 equals 145. And we bring down the x, and those equal to 180 degrees. Now we have to solve for x. To solve for x, we have to do what? Get rid of the 145. Again, it's being added, so to get rid of it, we have to do the opposite. So we're going to subtract 145 from this side, and whatever we do to one side of the equal sign, we do to the other. This cancels out, leaving x by itself. And when we subtract, 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is nothing. So this angle here also equals 35 degrees. Okay? Now, how would we check this just to make sure that it is correct? Well, all we would do is we can add all three angles together, or we can plug in 35 back into x and see if those equal 180. In this case, we'll just add all the angles inside of the triangle and see if it does come out to 180 degrees. 5 plus 5 is 10. We write down the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and 1 plus nothing is 1. And we see that it does come out to 180 degrees, which means that our answers are correct. I hope this really has helped you, and please continue to watch the other videos. I will be following this series and increasing the problems from here. So if you would like, share, and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.